Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and today we're unboxing and setting up the Roku Express. This is the first time I've tested one of their products. A massive thank you to them for sending one out. And we also have great Black Friday deals on both this one and the Streaming Stick Plus as well, so watch out in the video for them. So on the front here we just have the name and the brand. Also you've got a high-speed HDMI cable provided, which is great. Coming down you can choose from more than 150,000 movies and TV episodes from a great array of different applications on here. So we've got Netflix, YouTube, TuneIn, Google Play Movies, Now TV from Sky here in the UK, all four, so that's channel 4. You've got Amazon, BBC iPlayer, Sky News, ITV, 5 on demand, and TV Player as well. And there is loads more that we can check out as well, which is great. I'm looking forward to setting this up. So coming down the left hand side, it says here we offer a freedom to choose from a massive selection of free channels and subscription channels and rental options. Watch what you love and pay only for what you want, which is a great thing here. So loads of us have subscription TVs that cost loads of money, £80, £90 and upwards per month, but sometimes you don't actually use all of them services. So this might be helpful to check out. So what's included? You get the Roku Express streaming player, remote with preset channel shortcuts, 2 AAA batteries, that's for your remote, a high-speed HDMI cable. You've also got a USB power cable and power adapter. So what you should know, you will need broadband internet connection, a wireless router, a TV with a HDMI port, and some channels may require payment as well. So please bear that in mind if you're giving this to a child, that some payments may be needed, and that means a card needs linking to the account. Turning to the rear now, on here you've got your home screen. There is an iOS and an Android app that you can download and use, as well as your remote control, which is great. You can have a bit of fun with that, winding people up. There's easy setup. It offers 1080p HD resolution. Mobile app, as I said, thousands of channels, simple, convenient, and free as well. So I'm looking forward to really testing this out here. Before we unbox, there's a couple of things just need to point out here. Easy setup. Connect your HDMI, connect your internet, sit back and enjoy your Roku Express. So now let's cut the tape and let's get into our Roku Express. So first of all, just taking out your outer sleeve, we're going to sit that to the side here. Inside your packaging, you will find a information guide here. So this will show you what's included and how to set up as well. And also you have safety and warranty information that comes with all products. So inside the packaging, first of all, you have a UK 3-pin plug that's going to have a USB connection here. Here is your USB connection. Then you have a high-speed HDMI cable. Then you have your AAA batteries for your remote, and then you have your Roku Express here. So you just have some information here. Pull this off and make sure this is firing towards your remote as well, so your remote can go through here. You have a nice glossy finish. At the top, you have branding. So turning around to the rear, I just want to point out you have a reset point here, so you can reset your device. You have a micro USB that can connect to your USB plug, and that's where you're going to provide your power. Then you have your HDMI connection as well. So now all that's left to do is have a look at the remote, and then we'll get the setup process underway. So I have provided adhesive tape if you want to tape this to your side of your TV or wherever you need it, which is good, so you can tape this up. Then finally we have our Roku Express remote control here. You have preset buttons built into certain applications. The one that I can identify here is Netflix. You've got others as well, which we're going to check out. Also, you have a form of menu navigation and moving around the system as well as using an app from iOS or Android. So what's next left to do is plug in and set up. The Roku Express is already set up and ready to go, and we're going to go through the setup process together. So you can either use your remote control that was provided, make sure you add your batteries into this, or you can download the application, like I said, from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Just search for Roku. So let's get started. You have a range of languages. So you have English, Dutch, Espanol, and Francais. So we're going to choose English. So looking for wireless connections now. So you're going to have a list of different Wi-Fi connections, and surely you should recognize one of them. Mine's the top one. Then you're going to insert your passwords. They did say this was very easy and very simple, and so far it is. So let's go through and do our password. So there is an update available. I recommend always install the latest updates. We're going to hit OK, and this is just going to update now. Now it's asking you to auto detect display type. So we are using a rather large display here. So then you have some options here to change the resolution if you want to. So we're going to go to 1080p. Then what you need to do is use a web browser and log on to the website here, put in your code, and then you're going to be set up to go. Once the Roku application is open here, it's detected a new device for us. Simply click on that device. So it says no channels found, but we'll be able to use this as well. There's our remote control. So again, on screen it's saying all done there, and to enhance your streaming experiences from Roku, download the applications from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, which you've already done. It's already set up as I've just shown you. You've got remote here, and let's click OK. So now we're all set up and ready to go. So let's have a look at the streaming services available to us that we can watch all of our content on. So you have Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Now TV, UK TV Play, Google Play Movies and TVs, Prime Video, ITV On Demand, All 4 On Demand, Rakuten TV, you've got Sky News, and then also you've got Channel 5 On Demand. So you've got all your UK main channels on demand, which is great to see. So coming along, you've got My Feed here. So this is where it's going to get to know you and give you the best possible information. You've got Search, where you can search for content. You've got Streaming Channels. This is where you can add other streaming channels. Then you have Settings, and inside Settings you've got Network, you've got Themes, you can change the theme, Screensaver, Display Type, you've got Captions, that's great for accessibility, audio information as well that's available. You've got Privacy, and then System, and then inside System you've got more advanced options. So inside here, this is where you can find other streaming channels. So just added, this is the new section here. So you can go through and find anything that you want, which is great. So we have Netflix, we have YouTube. So let's actually put YouTube. So add channel. So simply pressing OK will add the channel for you. Again, you can add Plex as well. So if you have a Plex server, you can add all of your media. You've got Red Bull TV, you've got WWE Network as well. You've got so many different options here. 150,000 different movies and TV shows are available to watch on here, and ever growing as well. Now the Roku Express is all set up and we've taken our first look. Let me talk about the Black Friday deals that I was discussing. So both this and the Streaming Stick Plus is available during the Black Friday deals of 2018. I will link in the description where you can get them from. They are available from major UK retail outlets. So first of all, this device costs $29.99 here in the UK. During the Black Friday events will drop down to $19.99. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus is available at the moment at $79.99, but will drop down to $49.99 during the Black Friday events. So if you have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. In the description there'll be links to Roku, so you can go and check out their website, and also I will link in the Black Friday deals. Remember, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all our latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.